Imagine controlling phone calls and text messages with your own programmed logic. Twilio scripts, often written using TwiML, are the instructions that tell Twilio what to do with incoming or outgoing voice calls and SMS messages. Think of them as your blueprint for communication flows. They enable powerful, interactive communication flows, allowing you to build everything from automated customer service bots and personalized call routing to intelligent SMS responders. At its core, a Twilio script relies on webhooks when an event happens, like a call coming in. Twilio sends an HTTP request to a URL you provide on your server. Your server then responds with TWIML Twilio markup language, which is an XML document containing instructions. TWIML uses special tags called verbs to define actions. For example, the say verb speaks text, play plays an audio file, and gather collects user input from their keypad or voice. These verbs are the building blocks of your interactive experiences. The first step is to choose your programming language and set up a web server. You'll write the code in your chosen language, like Python, Node.js, or PHP, to dynamically generate the TwiML based on your application's logic. Next, you'll configure your Twilio phone number or messaging service in your Twilio console. You specify the URL of your server's endpoint as the webhook for voice or messaging events. This tells Twilio where to send its requests. Now, when a call or message hits your Twilio number, Twilio sends the request to your configured webhook. Your server generates the TWIML response, sending it back to Twilio, which then executes the instructions, driving your interactive communication flow. By mastering Twilio scripts and TwiML, you gain the power to program sophisticated, dynamic communication experiences. Start experimenting and bring your interactive ideas to life.